Hello, all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now, it's a day one ride, it's a new ride. I'm heading to meet my friends. So, I'll let you know the details where I'm going and what is the route plan and everything. Right now, my ultimate aim is to meet my friends. The time is around 11 o'clock. We have to meet by 7:30, but due to some unfortunate reasons, we couldn't make that. So, the time is around 11 o'clock. I'm heading to meeting point and Padangal start ada. Okay, done. Okay, and here after 2 hours my friends have arrived. Right now the time is around 1. So we are starting to Bhubaneswar, which is around 450 kilometers out. So we didn't have a lunch also, so we have to we have to have a lunch break and I guess a snack break. So as per Google Auntie, it's showing around 9.5 hours with breaks and lunch and everything. It should take around 12 hours if I'm not wrong, because as it's the first day, right? We'll take many stops. So yeah, that's it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to introduce my friends. Right? I'll try to introduce them in a new way.
I'm a one. I'm a one. One.
It's a red signal, so I think I got a time to introduce my friends. So here we go. Meet them. Hope you guys like the new intro of my friends. Right now we're heading to Bhubaneswar. It's 450 kilometers out. We want to cover many kilometers in broad daylight, so that we'll be having a little distance in night. And I'm hoping that we'll be reach before 12 in the night to Bhubaneswar, because we have started late, so it will be affecting at the arrival time. It's not an issue because we have ample of time. We planned this trip in 20 days, which will be needing only 15 days. We have 5 days extra in our hand if we want to take rest, or if we want to feel, if we feel lazy, we want to take a break. It's not at all an issue. So that's the reason why we have 5 other days, extra days in our hands.
I'm a one to one. I could never be you. Low me tools, no, I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no, I hate these dudes. I'm a one to one. I could never be you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you.
This is a new highway which is under construction. This is a 6-lane highway. This side 3 lanes and that side 3 lanes. So it will be easier if we have the same route until Bhubaneswar. I'm not hoping we'll have the same 6-lane highway. At least 4-lane highway would be great, because we can cover the distance much earlier and we can maintain good speeds in this kind of a route.
Drop my first single like oh he rap. You thought it was a drought, that's cap. I get the front and I get the back. Lil Uzi the facts like that's a rack. Bought some new boots just to wear 'em out. Bought a new Beamer, I run it to the ground. I used to say no.
So this is our first toll gate in the trip, and we have covered around, I guess, 30 to 40 kilometers, I guess. I'm not sure. And another thing is like we are doing a good speed. We are maintaining around 80 kilometers, I guess, 90 kilometers per hour. So hoping for the best. As you can see, the highway work was not
completely done. 30 to 40% was in balance. So I guess by next year end it will be completed. And other thing is like we are going in service lane since 20 to 30 minutes, so the speed drop was there. Since 1.5 hours we didn't take any break. It's a good sign. I thought we'll be taking frequently a number of breaks, but till now we didn't take any break. So that is the reason why we are planning to stop for the lunch in another 20 to 30 minutes.
I'm taking all best, say less. Talking too much, say less. If it's less than a check, say less. If you can say a best, say less. I'm taking all best, say less. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Little me tools, no, I can't be fooled. Little me tools, no, I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Yeah.
Stop for lunch and waiting for Teja and Ravindra. And Teja, stop. Hey, stop. Saw me, yes. Ravindra. Teja's brake is sounding very horrible. I guess it's issue with the brake pads. And Ravindra is also here. Grand Hotel.
One hour later.
Done with the lunch and started. We have completed around 120 to 130 kilometers from Visakhapatnam, and we are heading we'll be having another, I guess, 350 kilometers odd. So it should take another 7 hours without any breaks. With breaks, another 2 hours added up. So it should take around 9 hours. Hoping for the best. We don't know whether we'll be reaching Bhubaneswar before 12 in the night, because we had wasted 1 hour for the lunch break, because we didn't take any breaks from Visakhapatnam to the lunch spot, which is 120 kilometers straight stretch we have done without any breaks. So we thought we'll be taking an half an hour break, but it has happened for 1 hour. So yeah, that's it. We'll see. We'll try to cover as much as in the daylight, and after that, God's grace.
I could never borrow from no man. How you talking ownership and no land? I got my roll on, now I'm rolling. I drive all my cars like they're stolen. You got on and put your homies out for ransom. I got on and put my homies on the program. Girls hit me in my DM tryna link up. I leave them on wreck and get a no jam. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Little me tools, no, I can't be fooled. Little me tools, no, I hate these dudes. I'm a one.
From past 40 kilometers, the traffic was too heavy. We have overtaken around 100 lorries. And other thing is, like, as you can see, black cloud, we are expecting rain. We are geared up for the rain also, it's not an issue. But what happened is, we'll get a little slow. Already we have been late for 1 hour, according to Google Auntie.
One, I can never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Little me tools, no, I can't be fooled. Little me tools, no, I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything you
Entered
could do,
Orissa
I
border
could do
way
better.
back.
I can do.
And we have taken many breaks in between, but maintained good speed, so not a problem. I guess we'll be reaching Bhubaneswar by 12 in no more lates. We are covering the distance. We have taken many breaks, but we are covering the distance by maintaining good speed and everything. So another toll gate. Okay, crossed. So yeah, that's it. I think I should stop for Ravindra and Teja.
So I think we are just I think we are just 197 kilometers before Bhubaneswar. It will take another 4 hours, I guess. Waiting for Teja and Ravindra. And
I'm a one. I'm a one. I'm a 1-to-1. I could never be you. Low me tools, no, I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no, I hate these dudes. I'm a 1-to-1. I could never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything.
As it became dark, I couldn't vlog much, and other reason is like I was very much concentrated on the road because I've never done this road, and that too it's dark. So I was the lead. If anything happens, I should warn my fellow riders. So I was very much concentrated on the road, so couldn't vlog much.
కార్డు ఉందట్రా బిటి కార్డు ఉందట. అరే ముందు తీరా.
You thought it was a drought, that's cap. I get the front and I get the back. Lil Uzi the facts like that's a rat. Bought some new boots just to wear 'em out.
40 kilometers away from Bhubaneswar, and that's it for today. If you like the vlog, hit the like button, share and subscribe for more content. In the upcoming videos you'll be seeing Gangtok, Sikkim, Nathula Pass, Silk Road and everything. So thanks for watching. Good night. Hit the like button, share and subscribe.